Hi, Alena here. Cerebro has many messenger integrations. Today, we'll take a look at how it works with Telegram. Integration helps link Cerebro tasks to chats and allows freelancers and clients involved in your project to submit their work or measure results without logging into the system. It also allows you to connect tasks to group chats, to discuss materials and send comments back to Cerebro. You can create chats both in desktop and web versions, as we'll see today. Let's go to Cerebro. You can link both individual tasks and groups of tasks to chats. Now we'll show you how to create a task chat. Go to the task you wish to link and open the menu. Now click on External Chats. There are two options, Telegram and Discord. To create a chat in Telegram, you will need to log into your account using a QR code or your phone number. Once logged in, the system will prompt you to link your Cerebro and Telegram accounts. This will enable you to send messages and files from linked chats directly to the system. Click on the link button and the Telegram bot will tell you what to do. You can skip this step and do it later in your Cerebro account profile. You only need to log into Telegram once. Cerebro will remember the connection, and next time you won't have to log in again to create a chat. You can add users to the chat right away, both from Cerebro and from your Telegram contact list. If you are adding a Cerebro user with no connected Telegram account, we will generate a special link for you to invite them after the chat is created. You can decide whether to stay in the chat after you create it. The checkbox will be available if you add at least one user who has a connected Telegram account. When creating a chat, you can further configure flexible interaction between Cerebro and the messenger. Choose the language in which Cerebro will communicate with the users. The access rights settings determine what messages the messenger will request from the task. By default, rights are inherited from the chat creator. If you want only messages visible to the client to be sent to the chat, select a user with the appropriate rights. By default, all existing task-related messages are sent to the chat when you create it. You can turn this off and start the chat from scratch. Messages sent to the chat contain links to the associated task. You can choose which app version will open when someone clicks on a link: web, desktop, or browser. The messenger allows you to configure messages that will be sent to the task. By default, all messages written in the chat are sent. For this, there must be only one task in the chat, and the author of the message needs to have connected their Cerebro and Telegram accounts. You can configure the chat to send only specific types of messages, such as replies to messages imported from the task, or messages written using the special send command. You can choose what exactly will be sent to the chat from the task: messages, files, or both. In addition to simple messages, you can also send work reports from the chat, indicating the number of hours spent and changing the task status. This can be done using the report command. When sending a report, you can choose the new task status and also decide whether to put in the number of hours spent working on the task. Let's select the status Pending Review. If you press the Remember button, the settings will be used as default for all the future chats you create. Once our Telegram chat is successfully created, a link leading to it will appear. You can follow it yourself or send it to your colleagues. When adding a Cerebro user with no connected Telegram account, you can copy the invitation and send it to them in any convenient way. The invitation will also be sent to their email. The link will open a Telegram chat with the Cerebro bot, which will help the user connect their accounts. This is needed to send messages and files. Press the Start button. The bot will send an account verification code by email. Open the email, copy the code, and send it to the bot in the chat. After this, the bot will connect the accounts and send a link to the task chat. Connecting is only done once. After this, you can add the user to any task-related chats. You can create a new chat or link a task to an existing one. Let's create a new chat. Follow the link to the chat. You can already see task messages inside. Users can write messages and attach files, which will be immediately sent to the task. We can see a new message and file in Cerebro. Everything works correctly. Let's ask the user to write a report to an account for their work hours. Using the report command, you can send a report with the number of work hours from the chat. All the commands have been delivered. The chat has been updated. Telegram has restrictions on the size of files users can send to Cerebro. The current limit is 20 MB. To send larger files, we have additionally introduced a file upload window, which is built into the app in the desktop and mobile versions of Telegram. In the web version, the upload window will open in a new tab. To send a large file to Cerebro, use the upload or report upload commands. Use the latter if you also want to write a report. The bot will warn you if your file exceeds the maximum size limit. Let's use the upload command. Click on the file upload area or drag the desired file into it. Let's go back to group chats. In addition to tasks, we can also link MySpace pages to receive notifications from a group of tasks. Here is an example. This page contains reports for all tasks with the status Pending Review. You can set up any configuration you need using the available criteria. At the bottom of the page, we see the Chat Creation button. Please note that in order for it to appear, the page must be saved in the universe. Cerebro bot has been added to the Telegram chat. Now all new reports will be sent here. Let's write a task report. Once finished, it will appear on the Dailies page and be sent to the Telegram chat. The report with the file has appeared in the chat. After discussing it, you can send comments back to Cerebro. You can submit a task comment by replying to a message. Everyone liked the new version, so let's go ahead and switch the task status using the status command. The bot supports various commands for working with tasks, receiving information, and sending messages and files. You can always use the help command to learn more about the available chat features. If there is more than one task in your Telegram chat, or a page has been added to it, the bot will prompt you to choose between the tasks when executing a command. The bot shows only tasks for which there are already messages in the chat, but you can search for any other task to get information on it or send a message. Remember that to send data from the chat to Cerebro, you need to connect your Cerebro and Telegram accounts. You can always do this in your Cerebro profile page.